Guys, welcome back. I wanted to share a brief technical update on the G-30. In my previous video, you saw that I was struggling to get the boat to run correctly. Being relatively new to outboard style setups, I initially had difficulty diagnosing the issue. Based on my limited experience, I assumed that adding positive trim prop angle would correct the diving behavior. While that assumption wasn't entirely off base, I made a critical and potentially catastrophic error during the adjustment process. While tightening the trim adjustment screw, I inadvertently shifted the setting, resulting in a severe negative prop angle. As demonstrated here, the moment throttle is applied, the boat immediately submarines, even during turns. This behavior was extremely confusing at first and pointed to a fundamental setup error rather than a handling or power issue. Compounding the problem, since I purchased this boat secondhand, I was unaware that the online manual contained crucial baseline setup information. Once I referenced the documentation and reset the configuration, neutral prop angle, outboard height approximately 1/8 inch above the bottom of the sponsons, and a center of gravity located 9 inches from the transom, the difference was dramatic. The boat's behavior improved instantly and predictably. The change was truly night and day. Mistakes were made, and I take full responsibility for overlooking the fundamentals. As the saying goes, failure is a proper teacher. Enjoy the run, guys.
Yeah.